Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show. Woohoo!
Oh, yeah. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Marge, and welcome back to the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show, where we help our brother Terrell how to make some of his favorite meals. Since he's autistic, Terrell can't really communicate to us what he wants all the time, so this is our way of helping him.
As you can see, Terrell is taking a break to get.
Wow! Wow, okay. He will be missed, unfortunately. Anyway, back to basics. So today's episode is Back to School Lunch. That's right, it's finally time to go back to school. And if you live in Clark County, then just know that school starts on Monday the 13th.
So when we come back, I will start showing you how to get your back to school backpack ready. And show you all the supplies you will need. And later, Chef Marta will do the back to school lunch. Welcome back, guys. I'm getting all the items ready to put in Terrell's backpack. We got him a Batman backpack. I'll work below. So first, I will put a folder in his backpack. A pencil case. Colored pencils. Extra pencils. Crayons. A ruler. Erasers. A sharpener, a glue stick, tissue, and wet wipes. That up, and now Terrell is ready for his first day of school. Woohoo!
Well, here's a fun lunch idea for your children for their lunch bag. You can add a Hot Pocket, a honey bun, a box of cranberries, a Jello cup, a juice box, a mini bottle of water, an ice pack to keep all the drinks cold, and Terrell's favorite snack, his fruit snacks. And of course, a little health kick, add a banana too. Got to love the health stuff. And I guess we can put all the health stuff over here. We got the jello. Here we go. Make it look more easier than that. Then we have a round folder. There we go. You can find all of these items at your local dollar store. There's a little info there. And when we come back, it will be time for today's sidebar.
And now it's time for today's sidebar.
Today's sidebar is very important. Today's sidebar is called Back to School Convo. Here's a couple of tools to help us getting off to a great start of the school year.
Make sure you and your teacher exchange phone numbers. So then they can call you in case you have an emergency with school or something like that. Your parent is the best person to talk to. The next tip is bag safety. Make sure your child has emergency contacts in their backpack. They come to handy for any situation where you can't get to a directory or emergency call.
Tip 3. Kids get sick a lot. Make sure you keep baby wipes in your child's bag to use during the day and wash their hands when they come home from school, of course with soap to kill off the germs. And lastly, number 4, give your kids a great send-off to school. A very bad send-off can rub off into their entire day. Trust me, we know from experience. And that's today's sidebar.
Thank you.
Well, we hope you enjoyed today's episode. Since school is starting, we'll be busy these first 3 weeks, so we'll see you back on Sunday, September the 2nd for our Labor Day episode.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Please enjoy all of our summer pics. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.